Okay guys, so I'm making a video here to explain to you how to see the comments you're getting on each photo which you have sent me as part of your assignment. Okay, for this we have a simple demo assignment here. Now here I'm going to go to classwork. In classwork you can see that I'll go and select that assignment for which I want to check my comments. Now in this assignment here you will have only the instructions and the topic and all, okay, but to see your work like you had done to add the attachments of photos, you should swipe this up. Okay, once I swipe this up I will get this. So these two are the photos which my student has given as a part of their assignment, and here you can see private comments. Now this private comments is comments which you are getting for the overall work. That is not for any one particular question, that's for your overall work. Okay, but in each of these pages which you have clicked photograph and sent, I will be giving you some kind of comments there. Now how to see that comments I'm going to tell you now. Okay, so you click on the first page. Now I'm clicking on the first page, the page opens. Okay, here it's just a photo of a newspaper. For you it will be your first answers page, whatever you have done as your first photo. Okay, now here I can't still I can't see my comments. So what you have to do is, you can see this arrow here inside a box, there is an arrow. Now I want you to click on this arrow and it will take you to opening in Google Drive. It will take you to Google Drive there. Okay, so the same photo will open in another will open in another app called a Google Drive. Now once it opens here, you will be able to see these boxes, special kinds of boxes which are there, which is actually where I have added the comment. Okay, so if you want to read that comment, just go and click on that box. Okay, if you click on that box, you can see I have written good work, keep it up as part of this box. Okay, now back again, same swiping and doing that to make the image large and small. Now if I click on this, you can see I have given a comment correct 2 out of 2. Okay, don't click on resolve, just close, let the comments be there. Okay, that will be how I am giving you individual comments on your individual work. Okay, each page will have some kind of comments like this. Okay, mostly all of your pages will have, as long as there is something to see comments. If you are still not able to see these boxes, then at the top you will see this like 2 comment boxes. Okay, this kind of a message symbol will be there. If you click on that, the comments will automatically come. So then you can select that area where the comment is and you can see that particular comment. Alright, that's the first thing. Now the problem here is you will not be able to go to your second page directly. What you have to do is you have to come out of this by clicking the back button. Now I am back to Google Classroom app. You see, I'm back to Google Classroom app. Now I have to select the second page separately, and then to see the comments of the second page, I have to again do this arrow thing. I have to click the arrow again and it will take me to the Google Drive again. Now in this I can't see my comments, I can't see even the box where it is, but here if you see, it is showing me one comment. So if I click on that, it will show me, oh, the box came afterwards. So this is my comment. My comment reads something nonsense, but you can ignore that. Okay, so this is how you do this. And once you are done with this, if you have anything to tell back to me on this, you can reply here if you want. Okay, if you have something to tell me back here. Otherwise you can just send me a message on WhatsApp with a screenshot. That will also do if you want to discuss something there. For each page, remember, you have to go back here, click back and then select the next page. Only then you can see each different page. I want you to go through each and every page of every single assignment you send me ever. Okay, and then there is no need to click anything else here. Any particular comment you have, anything you want to tell me, just add private comment here on this, or you just send a message, WhatsApp message to me. Thank you so much.